Ooh, man. Another classic. Sweet. Real nice. Well, thanks to the cheap gas, can't really afford to do a whole lot of street scrapping today. So I emptied out some of my hoard stuff I never use. I wanted to use that, sorry about the noise, but the bearings are wasted in it. That would have been good for chopping down electric motors, but oh well. So, got that tandem bicycle. A friend of mine, he's gonna look at it. I told him, just give me 10 bucks, I don't care. He said, if not, it's going to the scrapyard. So that's it. I got some wire over there, a couple old toolboxes. Called a couple of the antique places. They said they got plenty of them, so I find them all the time. I would like to keep them, but then I'd be a hoarder, so. Send them then, send them in. So, well, there's a minute, so let's go to the scrapyard. That sucks. Oh. No soupy mess today. Hola! He's sweeping up. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh no! Look at that three-wheel action. Three-wheel. It's gonna be a crazy ride in that thing. Look it out, look it out, look it out, look it out. There you go. There you go. That's gotta be one wild ride, man. I'm telling you. So top heavy, oh. You definitely gotta have your heart. Ooh, man, that's a crazy ride. It's like someone else thought they had a brass lamp. Not. Old boat motor I found. Well, what's left of it. Oh boy. Oh. Look, it's You-Knows Bro. Hi. Find me. Oh wait, you can't look over this pile. There's always scrap here. What to pay for cleaning out part of my carport. Let's see here. Light iron, 220 pounds, 10 cents a pound. Sweet. Finally up to 10 cents. Good. $22. 40% recovery wire, 25 pounds, $1.05 for 26.25. Old sheet, 8 pounds, 54 cents, $4.32. High grade electric motors, 15 of them for 28 cents. And that's gone up 2 cents too. $4.20. Clean stainless steel, 5 pounds, 75 cents for $3.75. Heavy iron aluminum, 7 pounds, 10 cents, 70 cents. Womp, womp, womp. 1 pound of yellow brass, $2.30. Still holding it $2.30 for $2.30. All right, it's due to gas. It's a little rough. Yesterday I went out on $10 worth of gas. Gave me 2 gallons. I didn't film it, but here's yesterday's ticket. We still did all right for about 20 minutes worth of work. But 103 pounds light iron for $9.53. That almost paid for my gas. Light iron, 3 pounds for 54 cents. Another roll of extension cord I found, 10 pounds for $10.50. And there was some copper wire or copper pipe I found, 4 pounds, $3.60 for $14.40. So that was $34. What the real stinker was Sunday I went out scrapping all day. I really didn't film a lot because I was really aggravated because there was nothing out there. I mean, nothing. There was trash cans everywhere, but there was nothing out there. Well, I can't find the ticket, but I put $30 in the gas tank, and I went to the scrapyard Monday, and I made $29. That's pathetic. And then Monday I had several phone calls, and that made up for it right there. And here's the ticket for that. I didn't film none of this, but I'll just show you the ticket anyways. But it is what it is. That zinc die cast turned out to be, that was what I thought was a brass lamp. But then I thought it was aluminum. Well, some of it's aluminum, but the base was real heavy. I thought that was aluminum cast, but it turned out it was zinc die cast. Oh well. But there was a little bit of brass on there, like the nut on the top, and there was a little bit of brass in the light fixture itself, and then I found some more brass. So this was a call, and I'd rather have, with the gas prices like they are now, I mean, I enjoy going street scrapping because you just never know what you're going to find. That's the thrill. That's what I like about it the most. But with the prices being so cheap now, I'd rather go back to people, my contacts, for who call. I'd take that all day long. All right. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Share me out if you can. Yeah, Nacho, I was way up in a tall tree today just to see you because you came out early. Everybody take care and be safe.